Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math algebra problem, and we have n to the power of 5 equals to a to the power of n, and we solve this problem for the values of n. So here we introduce the nice Lambert W function. So now first we little bit explain about Lambert W function. So our Lambert W function is denoted by W and is defined as if we have some value of n times of e to the power of n. So our Lambert W function, the standard form in this way, we write the standard form of Lambert W function in this way, and its output will becomes n. So we have, if the exponent of e is multiplied by here, so we get its output in this way. So we use this function and we find the value of n. So that the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we take the log on both of the sides of the given equation, and we get log of n to the power of 5 equals to log of 8 to the power of n. And now in the next step, we use the nice property of logarithm, and we move this 5 to the front of this log, and we write it as 5 times of log n equals to n times of log 8. And here we move the terms involving n in the left hand side and all the other terms in the right hand side. So we have n, we move in the left hand side, and it will becomes log n over n, and we move this 5 in the right hand side, and it will becomes log 8 divided by 5. So that in the next step we just make here the conditions like this, because we need to use the Lambert W function. So now we can make some conditions in this form, so that first here we move this n in the upsides, and we write it as n inverse times of log n equals to log 8 divided by 5. So in the next step we write this n inverse as e to the power of log n inverse. It means that here we take log and anti-log at the same time in the term n inverse, and we have this log n as it is, and it is equals to log of 8 over 5. So in the next step, you see here we again use the property of log here, and we write this expression as, we move this negative sign in the front of this log, and we write it as, here you have log n multiplied by minus log n equals to log 8 over 5. So in the next step, you see here we need to make this type of equation. So if you have some exponent of e to the power, and so we make this exponent multiplied by here. So we make e in this equation, and we have the exponent of e is negative times of log n. So but here we have positive log n, so we need minus sign. So now we multiply both of the sides by minus 1. So we get minus log n times of e to the power of minus log n equals to minus log 8 divided by 5. So in the next step, we make the left hand side in the standard form of Lambert W function. So here we ready to apply the Lambert W function. So that now we make the Lambert W function on both of the sides, and we get minus times of log n multiplied by e to the power of minus log n equals to w of minus log 8 divided by 5. So that now in the left hand side we give the output after using the Lambert W function, is that we get the output of this term is the exponent of e, and it is minus times of log n equals to in the right hand side we have w of minus log 8, and we write it as w of minus log 8 over 4. So that here, because we need to find the value of n, so we eliminate log here. So now first we make this negative term in the exponent of n, and we write it as n to the power of minus 1 equals to w of minus log 8 divided by 5. And here we have log. And now in order to remove this log, we need to take the anti-log on both of the sides. So after taking anti-log on both of the sides, we get the left hand side is n inverse, and in the right hand side we have e to the power of w of minus log 8 divided by 5. Here we take anti-log on both of the sides. And now in the next step, we simplify this equation, and we have this n inverse, and we write it as 1 over n equals to e to the power of w of minus log 8 divided by 5. So that here we use the nice property of Lambert W function, and this property of Lambert W function is stated as if you have e to the power of Lambert W function of n, so the output of this function is equals to n over Lambert W function of n. So here we use this property of Lambert W function. So that now you focus on this equation, and now first we take the reciprocal on both of the sides, and you get n equals to 1 over e to the power of w of minus log 8 divided by 5. And now we use here this property of Lambert W function. So by using this property, we write it as minus log 8, because here you see that this is the our n. So first we write n, so our n is log minus log 8 over 5, and it is divided by Lambert W function of minus log 8 over 5. So that rewrite this equation as, because this is the minus log 8 over 5, so we write this expression as minus 5 over log 8 into Lambert W function of minus log 8, and it is divided by 5. So here you use the wall form alpha. So after using the wall form alpha, you will get the approximate value of this function is 2.207 and so on. So this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.